Welcome back. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Over the past videos, we've covered everything from generating leads without the hustle to advanced analytics for optimizing your funnel. Now, it's time to tie it all together. In this final video, I'm sharing how to build a long-term strategy for funnel success so you can sustain your growth and adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. So we've talked about creating funnels, scaling them, optimizing them, and using data to refine every stage. But here's the thing, even the best funnels need to evolve. Trend shifts, audience behavior change, and platform introduce new features. That's why building a long-term strategy is the key to staying ahead. See, a long-term strategy ensures your funnel isn't just effective today, but continues to drive results tomorrow, next year, and beyond. First, start with clear goals. Are you focused on increasing your leads by 20%, boosting conversions by 10%, or maybe reducing customer acquisition costs? See, setting measurable benchmarks lets you track your progress over time. Review these goals quarterly or monthly to ensure your funnel is aligned with your overall business objectives. The digital marketing world moves fast. Staying ahead means committing to continuous learning, follow industry trends, attend webinars, and invest in courses to stay updated on the latest tools and strategies. See, the more you learn, the better equipped you will be to adapt your funnel to changes like algorithm updates, new ad formats, or emerging platforms. Testing is not a one and done task. It's an ongoing process. Continue running A and B tests on headlines, CTAs, email subject lines, and add creatives to refine your funnel's performance. Even small tweaks can yield big results, and consistent testing keeps your funnel sharp and effective. See, funnels are more than just numbers. They are about people. Build relationships with your audience by engaging with them directly. Respond to their comments, ask for feedbacks, and create content that solves their problems. Strong relationships lead to trust, loyalty, and repeat customers, which are critical for long-term success. As your funnel grows, so will the demands on your time. Automate repetitive tasks like follow-up emails and lead nurturing sequences. Delegate tasks like ad management or content creation to free yourself up for big picture planning. Automation and delegation ensures that you can scale without burning out. Your funnel is not static. It's like a living system. Schedule regular reviews to analyze performance metrics, identify trends, and pinpoint areas for improvement. Are conversion rates dropping on a particular page? Are your ads underperforming? These reviews are your chance to pivot and optimize. Adaptation is the difference between stagnation and sustained growth. So what's the big takeaway? Building a long-term funnel strategy is about staying proactive, adaptable, and focused on your goals. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can create a funnel that grows with you. Remember, every tweak, every test, and every adjustment gets you closer to your goals. And if you're ready to just cut to the chase and get started right away and take your funnel to the next level, visit freedomlifebusiness.com to access proven tools, strategies, and done-for-you funnels that are built for long-term success. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'd love to hear what strategies you're excited to try. Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for even more tips to grow your business. See you next time. Always make it a wonderful day. And remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.